Before we can take a look at our last type of equations for the day, we have to look at the change of base formula. What the change of base formula does is it lets us type in logarithms that aren't just log base 10 or common logarithms in our calculator, right? The big thing to remember is the base goes on the bottom. So when I rewrite this, the base goes on the bottom, the number goes on the top. I can write it in terms of any logarithm I want, but the useful one is this one here, rewriting it in terms of log base 10 so I can type it in a calculator. Okay. So this would be the big one to have written down. A couple of the questions on the formative ask you just to rewrite these in terms of common logs. Right? That means this is my base, it goes on the bottom, so I would rewrite this as the log of 39 divided by the log of 5. And the second example there, my base goes on the bottom, I would rewrite as log of 55 divided by log of 2. Now, the thing I need you to do is take the time to go to whatever you're using for a calculator and make sure when you type these into the calculator that they give you the correct answer. Some calculators might make you put parentheses after each of those log values, right? So making sure we're not accidentally forgetting to close the parentheses, because if I tried to type this in as log 39 divided by log 5, right? Not closing those parentheses makes a big difference. So it's really important to close the parentheses, right, if your calculator makes you show them. But practice typing each of those in and make sure that we get the correct answers. So when you type the first one in your calculator, we should get about 2.276, and we want to round these to the nearest thousandth or 3 decimal places. Okay. So making sure that you figure out how to type it into whatever calculator you're using so that that's what you get for an answer. And the second one, when typed in our calculator, should give us about 5.781. Right, so big thing is just making sure you know how to type these in your calculator. Right, so a couple of the questions on the formative just ask for this part. Right, and then a couple questions ask you to actually find the value. Right, type it in and get those decimals on your calculator. So make sure whatever calculator you're using that you know how to type it in to get those values. Right, if you're not getting those numbers, try to stop on the Google Meet or ask a friend to see if you can get some help.